keep the squirrels and the birds and the animals away, you can use crushed red pepper or you can use cayenne pepper. So I gotta go purchase some cayenne pepper, so I'm gonna use this crushed red pepper. Animals and rodents and stuff, they don't like the way this smells. Oh yeah, and I got this crushed red pepper from Pizza Hut, y'all, when I order pizza. But it's actually good for your garden to keep all kind of animals and rodents away. I noticed the squirrels been digging in my flower seeds. You know, squirrels and birds, they like seeds. So once they smell this crushed red pepper, they're gonna get back. And I'll be back.